So let's get into this wig right here. I'm going to show you how I installed this full lace wig from Youth Beauty. This is their 22-inch loose wave 13x6 lace frontal wig. This is the hair in its natural state. I did not bleach the knots on this unit. This is straight up just out of the box. I think that it looks really nice. I did tweeze the hairline just a little bit. It did not need much tweezing at all. I haven't had a loose wave wig in so long, and I love the texture of a loose wave. It's like in between a body wave and a curly texture. It's so pretty. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead, click that subscribe button down below, hit that bell so you're notified as soon as your girl posts a new video. And if you would like to see how I installed plus style this wig today, y'all know what to do. Definitely stay tuned.
So my wig came packaged inside of this, which is great because you can reuse it to hang up your wig. It also came with a wig cap, and it was securely packaged inside of plastic and a hairnet. So here is the natural texture of the hair. It is a loose wave texture and is a 13x6 lace frontal with 3 wing combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, as well as an elastic band. Let's go ahead and throw this wig on our head and see what we are working with. The hairline looks really great. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace before I start to lay it today. Per usual, I am going back and forth in a zigzag motion so I can get a more jagged edge, and that looks more natural than just cutting straight across. So today I'm going to be using my Bold Hold Liquid Gold to lay down my wig first. I'm going to start in the center, lay that lace down, then we are going to move to the right hand side, lay that lace down, and then we're going to move on to the left hand side. So I'm working in sections today. I do like to work in sections when I use the Bold Hold Liquid Gold because I feel like I can get a better placement, and it's just like a little messy sometimes. So I just prefer to work in sections when I use this to lay my wig. So this side was acting like it didn't want to stick that well, so I wanted to use my blow dryer on a cool setting just to get it more melted. And then I'm going in with the Ebin Wonderlace spray in the black can, and I'm really molding this wig down, y'all, so I can make sure that it lasts and it sticks. And I feel like this combination is bomb. I'm definitely going to test it out to see how long it lasts, but let's go ahead and pull the hair out the way. And then I'm using my Ebin melting spray, and I'm using this just to get that lace extra melted around my hairline. And then we're gonna go in with the elastic band, melt this baby down, and then let's come back and do the baby hairs. But do y'all see that lace? It's melted. This is transparent lace, and I feel like it's melted pretty dang good, y'all. Let me know what you think. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out some hairs around the front, and then I am going to tweeze them just a little bit so that I can get a very natural edge look today. I want my baby hairs to be there, but I don't want them to be super thick. So that's why I'm going in and tweezing. I'm going to cut the hair pretty short, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing on this side. So now that the baby hairs are cut, it's time to go ahead and swoop them. I'm using this edge brush and a little bit of my Nairobi foaming wrap lotion. It's just like a mousse, and it's really getting the baby hairs nice and laid the way that I want them. As you can see, you can definitely rock this wig without baby hairs, but I wanted to do baby hairs because I haven't done that on a wig that I've worn lately and I missed it. So makeup is done, baby hairs look bomb. The natural texture of this hair is already super good. I'm like already but yeah, it's super good. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the parting space in the middle. I did not even bleach the knots on this wig, y'all. Like, it still looks super bomb just with the knots not bleached. But I am gonna go in with the hot comb and my wax stick to lay this parting area down. And then once we get that laid, I'm going to lay the front of the hair, and then I'm going to take a little bit of my spritz, run the hot comb over it, and that's going to get it nice and laid. I'm doing the same thing on the other side as well. So since I didn't bleach the knots on this wig, you definitely don't have to do this, but I wanted to give it an extra pop. So I'm going in with a little bit of concealer in the parting, and as you can see, it just gives it that bald cap look underneath. And here is the natural texture of the hair, y'all. I'm leaving it as is. It's super gorgeous, and the lace is nice and melted and laid. I am obsessed. Let me know what you think.
So I really enjoyed installing this wig for y'all today. This bad boy ain't going anywhere. I did use my Bold Hold Liquid Gold mixed with the Ben Wonder Spray in the black can. And I feel like those two combined, if you don't want to use adhesive, you could definitely get a couple day wear out of this. Probably maybe like a week's wear out of this. I'm going to wear this wig for maybe a few days, and I'll let y'all know how long this combination lasted. But if you're interested in checking out this wig from Youth Beauty, I will leave a link down below in the description box with any coupon codes that they provide me with. If you want to continue to see weekly videos on my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it with all your friends. Let me know what you thought about this install in the comment section down below, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye. If you have not already checked out my latest video, it is a makeup tutorial. Go ahead, click the box right here, and it'll take you straight to it.